we're about to go on this ride here called Oblivion.
Is anyone coming round on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how good an idea this is, but I'm going to try it anyway.
Oh, look at that, look at that.
Coming up.
Coming. And then just here. And it just hangs. And then down they go. Oh dear. Bye.
If you hear the screams echoing from underground.
And that's what they go into, a big black hole. It is pretty steep. It's a 60-meter drop.
It's like vertical.
It is pretty vertical. So Karen's really looking forward to going on this because she really loves these kind of rides. Okay.